Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how much it costs to replace the Tesla battery. The price will shock you. Unlike other vehicles, Tesla actually offers mobile battery replacement services. So when I saw this message appear on my Tesla screen, I knew it was time to change the batteries. I'm gonna order a new battery for my Tesla. So to get a Tesla battery, I can actually get this done at the Tesla dealership, or I can get this ordered to my house and somebody will come and replace the battery. Do I have to be here when the mechanic comes? No, they have access to the vehicles whether you are at home or not. Tesla is technically an IT vehicle. They can lock and unlock the vehicle remotely, so when the mechanic comes, he just needs to come in and open up the trunk and put in the battery and do all those things, and I don't actually have to be there. I can leave the car outside and they can come work on the car without me providing a key to it. So let me show you guys the process of me replacing my battery on my Tesla. The first thing I did was to come to services, and then you click on request a service, and then you click on battery and charging down here. After that, it will ask you for the description of the battery. That's where you put the low voltage battery, and then it will actually ask you for your address, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Then so a few minutes later, they will say, like with me, it took only like 5 to 10 minutes for them to respond back. Apparently they can actually see that one of my tire pressure was low, so they actually added that as, you know, adding pressure to one of my tires. But also there's another seal that I see that they want to put in the trunk for $14. I don't know what that is, but it's recommended, so I just accepted it. So guys, that's the entire process. So how much did it cost me? I ended up paying $133.79. Part of that is the $14 that I accepted. I ended up paying $133 and some change, $108.40. That's how much I paid for the battery. $14.90, that's what I'm gonna be paying for install of an O-ring on trunk power strand. I have no idea what that is, but I paid for it. So how long does this battery actually last on a Tesla? I actually bought a new battery last year in February, so that means slightly over a year and a half. That's how long the battery lasted on my Tesla.